morning students. This is 12th standard botany video class, video 3. In this video, we are going to continue the lesson chromosomal basis of inheritance. Dear students, in the previous video class, we have seen what is chromosome, what is gene, salient feature of chromosomal theory of inheritance, comparison between gene and chromosome behavior, linkage, coupling and repulsion theory. So linkage is also divided into two types of genes, linked genes and unlinked genes. Linked genes means genes located very close together on the same chromosomes. They are inherited together, is known as linked genes. Genes which are located far apart on the same chromosomes are called as unlinked genes or syntenic genes. This condition is called synteny. The recombination frequency of linked gene is less than 50%. They show the linked. The recombination frequency value is more than 50% of two genes. They show the unlinked process. So closely located genes which are linked, strong linkage. They are showing the strong linkage, while genes are located far apart show the weak linkage. These are all the important 1-mark question. Another important 2-mark question, coupling or cis configuration. Two dominant alleles or recessive alleles which occur on the same homologous chromosome tend to inherit together into same gametes and are called coupling or cis configuration. Another one, the dominant or recessive alleles occur on the two different but homologous chromosomes. They inherit apart, that means separated, into different gametes are called repulsion or transconfiguration. Up to this only we have seen in the previous video class. In this video, we are going to see the next topic, different kinds of linkage. Dear students, see the topic, different kinds of linkage. The two types of linkage was observed by genetist, that is T.H. Morgan, who is named as father of genetics. They are complete linkage and incomplete linkage. How we can able to identify complete linkage or incomplete? By the absence and presence of newly formed recombination of linked genes. Absence or presence of newly formed recombinant linked genes. On the basis only, we can able to identify complete linkage or incomplete linkage. First one, the definition of complete linkage is the important 2-mark question. If the chances of separation of two linked genes are not possible, those genes always remain together. As a result, only the parental combinations are observed. What is complete linkage? The separation of two linked genes are not possible. Those genes always remain together. As a result, only parental combination only observed. These linked genes are located very close together on the same chromosome. Such genes do not exhibit crossing over. This phenomenon is called complete linkage. What is the meaning for that one? The chromosome which contains different genes and are very closely located, so they are unable to separate. Say they are stay together. As a result, only the parental combination only appeared. So the linked genes are located very closely on the same chromosomes of the genes, do not exhibit crossing over. That is, crossing over or linkage is not possible. That type of phenomenon is called a complete linkage. This complete linkage was reported in the fruit fly named Drosophila, male Drosophila. C.B. Bridge, another scientist named 1919, discovered that crossing over is completely absent. What is the meaning that one? That is complete linkage. There is no crossing over means that linkage is named, what is that one? Complete linkage. Dear students, kindly note down. There is no crossing over taken place means that chromosomes which contains only the complete linkage genes. That is what is deemed that one. Linked genes are present in the same chromosomes. They are stay together. They are not separated. They are not possible to separate the characteristic feature. So they are expressed only the parental character. So the linked genes which are located very closely on the same chromosome of the gene which do not exhibit crossing over or they do not separated. They are stay together. That linkage is called a complete linkage. Example, male Drosophila shows the complete linkage. And also the scientist C.B. Bridges discovered in the year 1919, he proved that crossing over is totally absent in some species of male Drosophila. So what is a complete linkage? It is if the chances of separation of linked genes are not possible, those genes always remain together. As a result, only the parental characters are observed. The linked genes are located very close on the same chromosome of the gene. They do not exhibit crossing over. This phenomenon is called complete linkage. It is reported in the male Drosophila by T.H. Mohan. Again, another scientist also proved that is crossing over is absent in Drosophila by C.B. Bridges in the year 1919. Dear students, this is an important one mark question. The crossing over is completely absent in dash species. The answer is male Drosophila. And also, what is complete linkage? With the example. What is the answer for that one? If the chances of separation of two linked genes are not possible, so those genes are stay together. Only parental combinations are produced. The linked genes which are located very close on the same chromosomes of the genes do not show the crossing over process. This phenomenon is known as complete linkage. Dear students, I hope have you all understood what is complete linkage. Simply we can able to say that one, a linked genes which are very closely located on the same chromosome, they do not exhibit the crossing over. That linkage are named as complete linkage. Example, male Drosophila. Next one, another important 2-mark question. Opposite to complete linkage, that is incomplete linkage. If the two linked genes are sufficiently apart, that means separated. The chances of the separation is possible. As a result, parental and non-parental combination is also observed. The linked genes exhibits some crossing over. This phenomenon is called incomplete linkage. So totally the opposite definition of complete linkage. If two linked genes are sufficiently apart, அங்கே என்ன சொன்னோம், closely located அப்படின்னு சொன்னோம். இங்கே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா completely apart. The chances of their separations are possible. As a result, they produce parental recombination as well as non-parental recombinants also produced. This proved that the linked genes exhibits the crossing over. This phenomenon is known as incomplete linkage. This incomplete linkage was observed in the plant in maize. It was reported by the scientist Hutchinson. This is also important. One more question. Incomplete linkage in maize was observed by dash Atkinson. The example of incomplete linkage is dash. Thus answer is maize. So dear students, this paragraph is also very important. 2 mark and 1 mark question. Likewise, complete linkage also. Dear students, in the previous video class, we have seen what is coupling or cis configuration. That is, two dominant alleles or recessive alleles occur in the same chromosome, homologous chromosome, tend to inherit together. That means both of them express their character in the F1 generation into the same gametes are known as coupling or cis configuration. For that, they are given one example with a diagrammatic representation or flowchart. First one, parental generation. They have taken the garden pea plant, not garden pea plant, sweet pea plant named Lathyrus odoratus. This experiment was done by two scientists, William Bateson and Reynold C. Punnett. They have taken the two characteristic feature. One is purple color flower with long pollen. Another one, red flower with round pollen. Purple with long pollen, purple flower with long pollen shows the dominant allele. Red flower with the round pollen shows the recessive allele. So the genotypic ratio is capital PP with a capital LL, that is purple flower and long pollen. The red flower with the round pollen is small p, small l. So both of them crossed together. That means the cross has taken place between homozygous parent. What is homozygous parent? Both of them are in paired alleles, isn't it? That is said to be homozygous parent. So they express the gametes, capital PL and capital PL. Next one, small p, small l, small p, small l. Then the gamete formation is capital P, capital L, small p, small l, is the which is formed in the F1 generation. The genotypic ratio is capital P, capital L, small l, which indicates only the dominant character. So all the F1 generations are purple flower with long pollen. Then the F1 generation is crossed with one of the recessive parent. What is the recessive parent? Red flower with a round pollen. So the F1 generation, what is that one? The genotypic ratio is maybe vary. What is that one? Capital P, capital L, small p, small l. This is the F1 generation. All are purple flower with a long pollen is crossed with homozygous recessive parent. What is the genotypic ratio? Small p, small l, small p, small l. See that one? The F1 generations are heterozygous. Why it's said to be heterozygous? Capital P is there, small p. Capital L, small l. is crosses with double recessive parent. That cross is said to be, what is that one? Test cross. That way they given in the box column, top of the box column, test cross of the F1 hybrid with the recessive homozygous parent. F1 hybrid is heterozygous parent crossed with homozygous recessive parent. They produce the F1 gametes formation with different gametes. The purple flower with the long pollen with heterozygous condition produced different gametes, capital P, capital L, capital P, small l, small p, capital L, small p, small l. When I am coming to the recessive red flower, round pollen, only one gamete, that is small p with a small l. Both of them crossed together. That means multiply together. That means fertilization is taken place. See, the crossing over is very less due to the linked genes are separated far apart. Linked genes are separated far apart. First chromosomes having only the dominant. Second chromosome, they are having dominant with the recessive. Another remaining two which are having recessive and dominant. Last one is the recessive. So, the linked alleles are located far apart so that they are unable to separate. So, they remain tend together. That is said to be cis or coupling reaction. The F2 generation, the ratio is purple long, purple round, red long, red round. So first one is the purple long is the one of the parental character, dominant character. See the fourth one, round red, that is the recessive parental progeny. But between the ratio, one is the purple round, that is the recombinant of purple one. Red color long, that is the recombinant of red color flower. So these are all the recombinant progenies. According to the test cross, we have to get the ratio is 1:1:1:1, isn't it? But the expected ratio is 1:1:1:1, but the observed ratio is vary. That is 44 parental progeny, 6 plus 6, 12 recombinant progeny, and 44 another recessive parental progeny observed. 44 plus 44, 88 plus 12, 100. If approximately you are taking 100 gametes, we are getting 44 of dominant, another 44 for recessive parent. Only 12% we are getting recombinant genes. So the ratio is coming like this, 7:1:1:7. But the expected ratio is 25, 25, 25, 25. That is 1:1:1:1. So, this alleles in coupling or cis configuration proves that if the alleles are located very closely on the same chromosomes, they tend to inherit together. That type of configuration is named as coupling or cis configuration. Is very, very important 5-mark question. How they'll ask the question means, what is coupling or cis configuration? Draw a flowchart of cis configuration. So the answer is, what is coupling? You have to write 3 lines. After that, you have to draw a flowchart given here. Dear students, I hope have you all understood what is coupling or cis configuration with the help of diagrammatic representation. And also, this coupling reaction is proved in the sweet pea named Lathyrus rhodoetus by two scientists, Bateson and Punnett. Dear students, next we are going to see the repulsion or transconfiguration. What is the definition? The dominant or recessive alleles present on two different but homologous chromosomes. Homologous chromosome means the size and shape are similar, functions also similar, but the alleles of dominant and recessive are present on different homologous chromosomes. They inherit apart into different gametes. They inherit apart means separated into different gametes. அங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா inherit together ரெண்டு ஒண்ணா வரும் and located on the same gametes அப்படினு பார்த்தோம். That is coupling. Couplingனா ஒண்ணாவே வராங்க. பிரியவே மாட்டாங்க. But in the repulsionல they are separated. That means inherit apart, separated, and also they exhibit in the different gametes, not in the same gametes. That is said to be repulsion or transconfiguration. That also proved by Bateson and Reinhold Punnett in sweet pea plant named Lathyrus rhodoetus. See the diagrammatic representation. Alleles in repulsion or transconfiguration. They have taken the pea generation, that is parental generation, but it will be somewhat different. What is the different? The recombinant genes. What is the recombinant genes? In the coupling reaction is 12% came no, purple round, long red, isn't it? That only taken for hybridization process. See the parental character, purple flower with a round pollen, red flower with a long pollen. See the genotypic ratio, purple flower, P, capital P. Round pollen is the recessive, so small l. They should be occur in pair, that is capital P, small l is crossed with red flower. What is that one? Small p. What is the pollen? Long pollen, so capital L. So they are occur in pairs. The crosses between homozygous parents. The gamete formation is, first one is capital P, small l. Second one is small p, capital L. Both joined together. The F1 gametes which are showing purple flower, long pollen. What is that one? They are expressed the original dominant characters. Purple flower, long pollen. It is in heterozygous condition. In the F1 generation, the F1 generation again undergo test cross. Purple flower with a long pollen is crossed with a recessive parent. What is the recessive parent here? Red flower with a long pollen. So F1 gametes formation, capital P, capital L, capital P, small l, small p, small l, small p, capital L. That is the gamete from F1 of the F1 generation. Then the recessive parent, only one, small p, small l. They are crossed together. Less chance of crossing over due to linked genes. Here also the same condition only, even though we are exchanging the parental character. Here also the linked genes, that is crossing over process is very less. Because what will happen? The alleles are, which is inherit apart into different gametes, are present on two different homologous chromosomes, not on the same chromosomes. That means they are separated. If they are separated means they are inherited also separated. They exhibit character in different gametes, not in the same gametes. So the F2 generation, we get purple long, purple round, red long, red round. Here also the parental progeny is only highest ratio, that is 88. Recombinant progeny is also similar, that is 12%. So the expected ratio is 1 is to 1 is to 1 is to 1. But the linked gene non-recombinant progenies are predominant, are in the high range. So the observed ratio is 1 is to 7 is to 7 is to 1 instead of 1 is to 1 is to 1 is to 1. Dear students, this is the repulsion or trans configuration. So both the experiment in pea plant, they are not showing the expected ratio, but they are showing the different combinations due to the location of the alleles on the same homologous chromosome or different homologous chromosomes. Their inheritance capacity is also different due to the position of genes. They are closely located means they are inherited together. If they are apart means they are inherited separately with the different gametes. So the ratio of the coupling is 7 is to 1 is to 1 is to 7. The repulsion is 1 is to 7 is to 7 is to 1. Dear students, this is also very very important 5-mark question, and also the ratio of the coupling and repulsion is also important 1-mark question. What is the ratio of coupling? First 7 la ஆரம்பிக்கும். 7 is to 1 is to 1 is to 7. And the repulsion ratio is 1 is to 7 is to 7 is to 1. That is the ratio of repulsion reaction. Dear students, I hope we all understood what is coupling or cis configuration in pea plant. Likewise, what is repulsion or trans configuration which is present in the sweet pea plant was observed by 2 scientists named William Bateson and Reinhold Punnett. Dear students, remaining we will see in the next video class. God bless you. All the best children.